Good evening, friends. On behalf of Banking Quest, I, Tilak Gulati, extend you warm welcome on this program on risk management in banks and NBFCs. Friends, Banking Quest has been envisioned by senior level bankers with the sole aim of developing next generation bankers. We have been achieving this objective through the medium of our illustrative website, analytical blogs, workshops, webinars, trainings, articles written in leading financial dailies, and also through our YouTube channel. Friends, so far we have trained more than 5,000 bankers. Friends, during the last 6 months, during this COVID scenario, we have conducted a lot of training programs. Those training programs have been conducted. We have achieved that milestone due to the hard work and dedication of our core team. And to introduce you with our core team, our mentor, Professor Rajiv Kishore Dubey, is the former chairman cum managing director of Canara Bank. Mr. Hargovind Sachdeva is the former General Manager, State Bank of India and Head of Central European Credit Desk of SBI, Frankfurt, Germany. Mr. Sanjay Akhori, former General Manager, State Bank of India. Mr. Rajesh Mahajan, former General Manager, Bank of Baroda. Mr. Vaman Gokhale, former Deputy General Manager, Central Bank of India. Ma'am Surendrajit Kaur, former Assistant General Manager and Faculty, State Bank of India. Mr. Alok Kurushestra, former Executive, Punjab National Bank. And I am Tilak Gulati, former Principal Staff Training College, UCO Bank. Presently, I am the Chief Executive of Banking Quest. Besides these above dignitaries, we get faculty support from other dignitaries who have got vast exposure in the field of banking, and they have given a new direction to the banking industry in India. So friends, today we are starting a program on risk management in banks. So friends, and this program we shall be conducting in 3 levels, level 1, 2 and 3. Today we are starting level 1 program that is for beginners. It is basically to make the participant understand the business of banking products, its operations and risk associated with them, organizational structure, building basic understanding of the main risk through monitoring, mitigation and other related aspects. And after that, we shall be starting level 2 program. In that, we shall be having detailed study of credit risk in working capital, project finance, infrastructure project and its monitoring, market risk, its measurement, monitoring and mitigation, liquidity risk, interest rate risk, operational risk, including IT and cyber security risk, calculation of capital adequacy and other regulatory requirements. And after that, we shall be starting level 3 program. In that, we shall be giving a knowledge about the statistical tools required in risk management modeling, credit risk models, market risk models, ALM calculation, ICAAP document operation preparation, risk-based pricing, stress testing, and risk-based supervision. So friends, the program agenda today, level 1 program, today we are starting and we will be having 10 sessions. I have already shared with you the brochure of the program, but to repeat it, today we shall be discussing banking operations, banking business operations and risk associated with it. And Sunday, because our level 1 program will be held every Thursday and Sunday. And next Sunday on June 20th, we shall be discussing 3 levels of defense and organizational structure, then credit risk identification and measurement, credit risk monitoring and mitigation, market risk identification and measurement models, liquidity risk and interest rate risk. And on 8th of July, our 7th session will be on operational risk, causes and control. Then 8th will be Basel Accord, Basel 1 and Basel 2. Then key blocks in Basel 3 Accords. And our last session 10 in this level 1 program will be recent frauds in large corporate accounts, and we will conclude this level 1 on 18th of July. So friends, the basic objective of the program is to groom the participants to understand the overall risk management framework in banks and financial institutions, get acquainted with the various types of risk associated with the banking and financial assets, credit risk and its identification, measurement, monitoring and mitigation, and knowledge of market risk, liquidity risk, interest rate risk, function of various risk management committees, including asset liability committee, Basel regulation in banking system, and importance of capital adequacy. So friends, in all our online training program, there are special features. Besides giving live session, we also share recording of the session with the participants for a period of 3 days. In case the participant miss the program, the session, or in case there is some connectivity problem, or in case he wants to have a repeat, so he can see that recording for next 3 days. We also provide write-up on the session, and which we upload on our website bankingquest.com. And during the session, we give short quizzes to the participants, whatever we have already discussed. And we also give online periodical test papers. And at the end, we issue certificate to the participants. Friends, this level 1 training program, or this basically entire risk management training program has been designed, structured, and will be directed by Mr. Rajesh Mahajan. To introduce you with Mr. Rajesh Mahajan, Mr. Rajesh Mahajan is a banker cum academician, and he possesses rich banking experience of 38 years, and for the last 6 years, he is active in academics. His core areas of trainings are credit management and risk management. He retired from Bank of Baroda as General Manager, Risk Management. During his tenure in the bank, Mr. Mahajan was a member of subcommittee of IBA on risk management. After his retirement in November 2014, he joined NIBM Pune as associate professor, advisor MIT University Noida, and adjunct professor in IMT Ghaziabad. Apart from being a trainer, Mr. Mahajan is also a consultant to Indian Bank in their risk management department, and also on the subcommittee of the board on risk management as a special invitee. So friends, before I invite Mr. Rajesh Mahajan to start his deliberation, to start this program, so I have pleasure to announce that today we have with us Mr. S. Balachandran. Mr. S. Balachandran is the former Chief General Manager and the Managing Director of State Bank of Travancore. And post-retirement, Mr. Balachandran served as Managing Director of Kerala State Cooperative Bank Limited, which is currently known as Kerala Bank Limited. It is an apex body for cooperative banks in this state. So I welcome you, Mr. S. Balachandran, sir. So I request Mr. S. Balachandran to kindly formally inaugurate this program with your motivational and enriching words, sir, to the participants.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tilak Gulati. Good evening to all of you. Mr. Tilak Gulati, Mr. Rajesh Mahajan, and all other fellow bankers and other participants of this program. It's a pleasure for me to be sitting here, probably to launch this very, very critical and crucial program being conducted by Banking Quest. As Mr. Gulati had mentioned in his initial address, risk management has become an absolutely important arm of all bankers today. Of course, bankers have been living with risk. Risk has always been a co-traveler with bankers, because we have always been traditionally taking somebody else's money, using it in our own way, and ultimately the basic aim of making profits for us. And of course, so that way the risk has always been our thing, and we have been traditional methods of understanding risk and probably managing risk even in those days. But once the banking industry moved into the latest computerized or on the IT platform, the types of risk as we started facing, the amount of mitigation that we had to enforce had gone up by leaps and bounds. And I would say by about 2000, early 2000, the banks have really started, thanks to Basel I and subsequently Basel II guidelines, and even Basel III. Banks have been, and I would compliment Reserve Bank of India for rather guiding banks to do this, or at times even forcing banks to move on from one stage to the other stage of risk management. The present day banker understands that he is not facing just the traditional risks which we are used to. We're facing a multifarious risk both in the market as well as in the non-market areas, and we have been trying to cope up with that. I think risk management infrastructure has been put in place in every bank, And I think Mr. Mahajan was in charge of that. In fact, I was the chief risk manager, this chief risk officer for one of the associates, State Bank of Hyderabad, for a while before moving in as CGM to State Bank of Travancore. In fact, so risk management has become now a very, very, very key portfolio for all the banks. And according to a friend of mine in McKinsey consultancy, by 2025, even the present level of monitoring, mitigation, and management of risk in banks are going to undergo a leap change. And the next 10 years, the next decade, will see more than double the changes which we are seeing in the last 10 years' time. So that means the banks have to be prepared. Probably the risk management infrastructure in banks will have to be further strengthened with specialists, experts, IT experts, and similar people into that. But it's not enough that we beef up the risk management infrastructure in banks alone, because the people below in the operational silos, including our senior management, middle management, and even lower management people, have to understand and probably recognize risk right from the beginning. So that is where trainings like this organized by Banking Quest will come in very, very handy and very, very useful. And I find that the syllabus which we are planning to cover in the 3 phases is absolutely amazing. In fact, I think that exactly is what a risk management training should cover. And I'm glad that today we have at least around nearly 34, 33, 32, 33 participants participating here. That shows how banks, and I hope somebody is there from the NBFCs also. NBFCs understand the significance of risk and, understand the need to probably beef up their mitigation measures and the structures. In that matter, I think the most apt person probably today to handle it here is Mr. Mahajan. I have heard about him, even though we are not interacted. This is Rajesh Mahajan. I have heard about you very much. Since I was in the initial stages of implementation of risk management in the associate banks in State Bank of India, all the 7 of them and all their 6 subsidiaries when I was operating from their corporate center. But that is the initial phase of the forming the infrastructure, forming the risk management structure and all that. From there, it has traveled a lot, and even I am finding it a bit difficult to keep up with the developments of risk management. In such matters, people like even working bankers who are here, and even others who have joined this course will find it extremely useful, and I'm sure that will probably going to strengthen their not only their knowledge, also strengthen our banking system. And I think I congratulate Sri Gulati and Mr. Mahajan and all those who have thought of creating this program and and structuring it in such a manner. About 1 month for the first phase, then maybe the second and third phase coming up, following up. And my suggestion and request to all of you will be, those who are attending the phase 1, please make sure that you are able to attend the phase 2 and phase 3 also without fail, because then only you have a full knowledge and understanding of the whole this thing. So kindly tell your institutions also that you should be allowed to come back for these programs also, because then only probably you will realize the full benefits of this program. With this much words, as I don't think I should be spending more time. Moreover, all of us will be likely to loving to listen to Mr. Mahajan now. So with all these words, I have great pleasure in launching this program and announcing that this program stands inaugurated. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. S. Balachandran, sir. Thanks a lot for your enriching and educative words. In a few words, you have summed up the entire risk management in the bank. Yeah, for a banker, knowing about the risk factor is very crucial, so that only then he can mitigate the risk in the bank. So thank you, Mr. Balachandran, sir, for formally inaugurating this session. Thanks a lot. Now I request Mr. Rajesh Mahajan to kindly start his deliberation on the first session, sir.
So thank you very much, Mr. Gulati, as well as Mr. Balachandran, for the inaugural of this program, and all my senior colleagues who are present here to basically give a push to this type of the programs and bringing a culture of risk in the banking system, which we are lacking. And my special thanks to my own mentor, Mr. Prem Sibal, who I requested him to join today's session. So very, very experienced banker, and I have been groomed under him. So today also he is present. So it is a matter of delight for me. So friends, without much taking your time straight away, I will be coming to the PPT which I wanted to share with you. Just give me a few seconds to upload it, and then we will start today's subject.